Hey, let me explain Instagram's hidden email sequence while Daisy eats some goose poop down there. So you're probably wondering, what the heck is Instagram's email? Well, it goes like this. I like to use the analogy that Instagram is like a Louis Vuitton store. You're walking down the street, you see this really cool store, it's the window of Louis Vuitton, it catches your attention, and that's like your main feed, okay? So your main feed has to be really high quality, valuable stuff. Look at that dog, what a great dog. All right, and then so once you get people to pay attention to your main feed, then they opt into your stories, which is where you do your email campaign. Your email campaign runs exactly like the emails that I sent for 15 years in my turbulence training fitness business. So in that fitness business, we would run our emails like this. Sometimes I would run my emails from Bally the dog. If you're an old school follower of me, you'll remember Bally the dog's workout videos. And his workout emails and my workout emails and my sales emails all went like this. There's really about 4 or 5 parts to it. So first of all, we catch attention. And just like I caught your attention at the start of this video, you have to catch attention in an email with the subject line. So you're always looking for that first little bit in your stories and the videos that you make there to catch people's attention. And then you want to tell a little bit of a personal story. You want to show that you have a dog, or that you live in Vancouver, or that you're funny like me. All right, I'm not funny, okay? But if you are, let that shine through in your videos and in your email marketing. Then you go and you teach something connected to that funny little opener that you had. After that, you show people how this works. Well, you have social proof. So back when I was doing the fitness emails, I would show a story or a picture of how Catherine, one of my most famous clients, she went to the grocery store. The guy thought she was 65 years old and qualified for the seniors discount. She was only 45. So she went home, bought my program, lost 15 pounds in 12 weeks, and looked 15 years younger. And it was very famous. It made me a lot of money. Very much like when I do these videos, I can say, hey, I have a lot of personal trainers, a lot of nutrition coaches. They buy my Instagram course, they implement it, and the next day they've already made $1,000. We have over 20 success stories who have done just that. You can too, if you get my Instagram course. So now we have the opener, we have the personal touch, we have the content, we have the social proof, and we've earned the right to make the call to action using my 3-step call to action where we teach people what to say, how they can get it, and why they need to get it now. And that's it. That's how you use Instagram's hidden email series. All right, it's using the principles of email marketing in your Instagram stories to get clients, or in your Instagram TV videos. All right, so it's that simple. It's that simple. I'm Jerry Seinfeld. It's that simple. All right, so anyways, what I want you to do right now is drop a comment down below and tell me if that was helpful. It was helpful. Kramer, it was helpful. All right, so really love you guys. So does Daisy. She's not eating goose poop. She's being a good girl. So we'll see you soon. Drop that comment down below.